Do you know your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra can automatically fix bend or distorted lines in your photos? This feature helps make building edges and straight lines look more natural. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open Camera Assistant app. As a note, you can also access Camera Assistant through the Camera app setting. Scroll down the screen. Under the photo section, find distortion correction and turn it on or off. When it's enabled, your phone will automatically fix bowing or bending lines caused by lens and perspective distortion. So, given to its function, you can enable this option when taking photos of building, rooms, or objects with straight lines, or disable it if you prefer the original unprocessed look. And that's how you use distortion correction on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.